Hi.
Hello?
You understand who you work for, stupid? You work for us. You don't put hands on a citizen. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
Okay.
We'll just head up there real quick. And I'll go this way. Let's go. I'll take the...
Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits, everybody. Today's video comes to you from the channel JC News Now, and it involves possibly some of the worst courtroom cops we've ever seen. This video takes place in West Plains, Missouri, where JC News Now is deprived of his right to free press on multiple occasions. Let's watch.
How are you?
Pretty good.
Nah, I don't think so.
Sir, you're gonna have to come through here.
Okay.
Anything metal you want to sit right up here?
Sure.
You can come on through here.
Okay.
Where you need to go to?
I'm gonna look around today. Rachel.
Sir, you're not allowed to tape us.
Yes, I am.
No, this thing says that you're not.
Well, that's not a law, ma'am. Okay. We created privacy. Let's look at the thing she's talking about. Hi. How's everybody today?
Good.
What are y'all doing here?
You can't record in the offices. You can record
Yes, I can.
out there, but you can't.
Yes, can. I can and I will, and I'm going to.
No, you can't record in the offices. You can record it out there in the hall, fine, but not in here.
What law is that?
That's by order of the judge.
What judge? Show me the order.
Either step out in the hall or I'm gonna take you out in the hall.
You gonna put hands on me?
Yes, sir.
I'll sue you. I'll put
Okay.
my name on your
Okay.
pension.
Okay, that's all right.
What's your name and your
But
badge
you
number?
need to step out in the hall.
What's your name and your
You
badge
need to
number?
step out in the hall.
You put hands on me, I'll defend myself.
You
We
need to
clear?
step out in the hall.
I'm not going to.
You need to step
Call
out
some
in the hall.
help,
Let's
because
go.
you can't do it by yourself. Call some help.
You need to step out
Get
in
a
the hall.
supervisor.
My supervisor's not here right now. Come on, let's go.
Don't you
Let's go.
touch me. Don't you put hands on me. This is a lawsuit, sir.
Okay.
Everybody see what's happening? Look at this. This guy put his hands on me. What's your name? What's your badge number?
Deputy Crown over 271.
Okay, you're dismissed. You gonna babysit me now?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I guess we would have to.
Office is closed. Okay, well, it's late. Can't go in there. I'm gonna sue you, sir. Okay. You just lost your qualified immunity. I will follow through. Bunch of tyrants around here. Think you can just put your hands on me, you fucking punk? Lucky didn't get spiced.
There's a bathroom down there if you'd like to record it.
Well, I'm gonna stay here with y'all today till your supervisor gets here. How long you think it'll take him?
I don't know.
You understand who you work for, stupid? You work for us. You don't put hands on a citizen. You're gonna lose your job over that. Do you understand?
They asked for the supervisor to come here. They were trying to go into probate office and report.
You're a supervisor. You're a corporal, ain't you?
Negative, sir. I am not a corporal.
You're a deputy?
Yes, I am a deputy, and the supervisor is on their way
Thank
as
you.
we speak.
Can I have your name and badge number, please?
Deputy Poindexter, badge number 244.
Thank you for being professional. I appreciate that. You don't put hands on citizens, do you?
Only when they break the law.
What law did I break, sir?
I do not.
I'm
know
talking
what
to
you're
him.
referring
You want to answer? What law did I break for you to put your hands on me, you
You
bitch?
said you wanted to speak to the supervisor.
Yes, sir,
He's
I
on
do.
his way, and he'll be here
Stupid
to talk to you.
motherfucker. Shut up. I don't want to hear nothing else from you. Hi.
Hello?
Now you're
They told you that
Now
you're
you're
not allowed
fucking-
to record in that office.
now you're fucking with my First Amendment.
Okay.
Civil rights violation.
I understand what you're trying to do.
No, you don't.
People that act like we do
Act like me,
end up getting the rights taken away.
holding you accountable.
If you go back in there, I'm gonna put you in cuffs.
You put me
We're
in
not gonna
cuffs and
play.
I'll fucking sue you. You put your hands back on me again, bitch.
Okay.
Without a law and
Okay.
be picking yourself off the ground.
Okay.
You got it?
You threatening me again,
I'm not threatening you.
and I put you in cuffs.
I'm
Do
telling
you understand
What,
me?
you trying to intimidate me?
understand
You
me.
ain't gonna put me in cuffs.
You know, you're not gonna stand
I'm
there. You're
telling
not
you.
gonna threaten me.
I'm
Do
not
you
threatening
understand?
you. Back off me, bitch. Back off me. You're not intimidating me, sir.
The supervisor's on
You
his
see
way.
this shit?
When he gets here, he'll talk to
You
you.
fucking punk. Put me in cuffs. You ain't big enough, Junior. You put hands on a citizen. That's a lawsuit. You're gonna lose your job. You lost your qualified immunity anyway. If you don't lose your job, I'm gonna make sure your job. You're gonna be badge number 6. How's that for a threat? I'm threatening you with litigation. You like that?
You wouldn't be the first one.
Oh, so you admit to doing that shit before. This is why we do it, y'all. People want to enforce feelings.
Real quick everybody, if you are not already, now would be a good time to click the subscribe button as well as the bell. Also, don't forget to go to the comment section, click the link, and subscribe to JC News Now. This helps all of us to continue pumping out content and holding these police officers accountable. Let's continue the video.
This James. Okay. No, he hasn't.
Hello.
Hello, you the sergeant coming to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
That man put his hands on me. I'd like to make a complaint right now.
Okay.
Can I have your name and badge number, please?
Sergeant Paul Bradshaw.
Yes, sir.
I don't think there's allowed any recording in the courthouse. The judges don't like that.
That's courtrooms. They can't say anything about the house.
Why can't they? It's restricted access into this building.
No, it's not. I walked right in.
Well, you didn't come through security?
Yes, I did. They can't stop me. It's my building. He put his hands on me without cause.
Did you try to come through or something?
Nope. I was in a public office. It says welcome right there.
Yeah, you can't be recording in the offices.
Where's the law? Show me the law.
It's a courthouse order by the
Show me the
judge.
order.
Well, I don't have it with me right now. I'd
What?
be more than happy to get your name and address and
No,
find that out and come
you
talk
ain't
to
getting
you.
that.
Well, why not?
Because
I
it's
mean,
none of your business. That's private.
What do you mean it's private?
It's
You're
private.
wanting to file a complaint. If
Yeah.
you have to file a complaint, you have to tell me who
No,
you
I
are.
don't. I do it anonymously.
Well, then you can do that down at the sheriff's office.
Okay, I'll go right down there. I'm gonna have your badge, you bitch. Fuck you. You put your
Hey,
hands on
hey,
me.
don't be talking
No,
like
shut up.
no, you don't talk like
you
that in this
don't-
courtroom.
You
If
don't limit my speech, sir.
Listen.
You're dismissed.
Out of here. Get out.
No.
Get out.
For what? What law?
You're causing a
No,
disturbance.
you
right
came
now.
up and talked to me.
Yes, I did, and I was reasonable with you. And now you're cussing and screaming at us.
He put his hands on a citizen, sir.
Well,
I'm upset.
I'm asking you to leave then.
Okay, I'm denying that since you're asking.
Okay.
I'll leave when I get ready. You don't tell me what to do. You got it?
Okay, the judge has ordered you to leave, sir.
He didn't tell me that.
I'm telling you that.
You're not the law. You're not a legislator.
I'm just telling
All right,
you.
I'm gonna go. I'll be back.
I'm just saying that the judge is telling us to remove you from the property.
Really?
Okay.
This is a public
I'm offering
property.
you an ability to walk out on your own without going somewhere else.
I want to know one thing.
I will try to help you out any way I
Okay,
can.
I'm gonna ask you this. If I don't go, will I be arrested?
Probably so, yes.
No, I need to know yes or no.
I'm just saying yes.
Under threat of arrest?
Not under threat of arrest.
No, under
Not
threat of arrest, I'll leave. Otherwise, I'm gonna walk around. Tell me if you're gonna arrest me if
Yeah,
I
I will
stay.
because I'm telling you to leave the judge.
Okay,
has
that's
said
all
you
I
have to
needed.
leave.
Thank you. See ya. Y'all, JC News Now. Go to the courthouse, round 2.
Hello, sir.
Howdy.
I would ask that you turn that off for me right now because I've got people here that are juveniles for court today.
Ain't gonna happen. I don't care. Ain't gonna happen. You should have learned. You're still on duty. Good God.
Sir, your rights don't overrun everybody else's rights.
They don't have rights in public.
Yes, they do,
Not
sir.
to privacy.
In the courtroom, they do, sir. Yes, sir.
Are
they
you
do.
ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go upstairs
Okay.
then. Pull this head up there real quick. And I'll go this way.
Let me in my stuff.
Let's go. I'll take the...
It is now. They snatched me right up, buddy. Took my phone out of my hand. Took me right to the judge. The judge said I could not film in there. That's a lawsuit, y'all. He said if I get caught filming in there again, they're gonna drag me in front of the judge again. He's gonna hold me in contempt. We're gonna sit out here and record. Everybody comes in and out today. He said I can't record people in a public area. Bullshit. That's a clear violation of the First Amendment, y'all. We're not gonna have that. Oh glory. It doesn't stand for much here, y'all. Bill of Rights don't mean anything in this place. Tyrants in there. Bunch of nest of tyrants. They got the judge backing them. I was courteous to the judge because he's got the power of locking me away forever. And this clown went hands-on again with me again. Bradshaw, we're gonna get him busted. Busted him down.
So as you just seen in the video, JC News Now has conducted multiple follow-ups at this courthouse. And although nothing really transpired from the last follow-up, it seems like JC News Now has a solid lawsuit on his hands, as these tyrants not only deprived him of his rights, but went hands-on with him on multiple occasions. I will keep you all updated as to if he decides to pursue civil litigation, but thanks to his willingness to document, we are now aware that the West Plains Courthouse does not respect the United States Constitution in any way. In my book, they absolutely failed this audit. As always, thank you for tuning in to San Joaquin Audits. Be sure to go subscribe to JC News Now and let them know I sent you over. Thank you for watching today's video. Leave a thumbs up before you head out.